If you have data arrays in proper format in other applications, let's say for example like in Excel or Word, then you can directly copy paste out those data over here inside of Microsoft Project as well. So if I were to go around and copy this, so let's say for example if I were to press Ctrl C, then I can go around over here on the left side, and you can see that in the Excel I have divided everything as task, days and resource right here, and based on that you got the task, you got the days right here, and the resource over here as well. So if I were to go around over here and press Ctrl V, then you can see that they have been added in. I don't want the task, so let me just go around and press delete, and you can see that this is what you have right here. If I were to press Ctrl Z, you can see that I can get it back right here. You can see the resource right here and so forth, and all of the things just like this. Similarly, if I were to go around over here in Word, I can do the same with the table that I have in Word. I can simply copy it and paste it around over here. And basically you got the same thing, and here you can see that depending on what I wrote, right, 3D, 5D and 1W, you can see that they have been converted into days and weeks accordingly. And that is how you can go around and copy out external data into project as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.